This is Group 1, and we will be discussing management accounting technologies. Accounting can be traced back as far as currency itself to 3500 BC. The first tool used in accounting was the abacus. Over the years, technology has progressed and calculators have evolved with them. However, even with the current calculator, accountants found themselves with pretty messy desks. With the technological revolution, computer systems can now complete mundane accounting tasks instantly, which free the accountant up to work more analytically. It is true that accounting has too evolved with man. The technologies discussed in our presentation have forever changed accounting and the way we do commerce.
A barcode is an optical, machine-readable representation of data. It is often represented as a series of vertical bars of various widths spaced by different intervals. The image is then scanned by an optical reader or specifically designed software to decipher the information. The National Association of Food Chains standardized the barcode into the UPC system in the early 1970s. The system is still what you see in our grocery stores today. The use of barcodes allows businesses to quickly understand what their inventory is doing. By instantly recording what products are being shipped, moved, or sold, managers can more accurately understand their supply chains and adjust their strategies accordingly. Barcodes are still one of the most simple and cheapest forms of inventory management systems, costing only half a penny per barcode, as opposed to 7 to 30 cents for newer technology, RFID.
RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification. It's a form of automatic identification technology. According to the Association for Automatic Identification and Mobility, RFID is a generic term that is used to describe a system that transmits the identity in the form of a unique serial number of an object or person wirelessly using radio waves. You are probably most familiar with RFID through things like animal ID tags, where vets can place a chip inside your dog or cat in case they get lost, quick and easy road tolls, and security purposes. The RFID sends out a signal of data to a transmitter, and from there it is picked up and translated by the software. Through RFID radio waves, companies are able to track shipments, parts, learn what people are buying, and how much of a certain product they are buying. They are also able to determine color, price, and even the date of a purchase. This system has been used by companies for a little over a decade.
SAP, an acronym for Systems, Applications, and Products, is a robust software package used by businesses the world over to tie various business functions together into integrated enterprise systems. While it is more commonly known as SAP, its current version name is ERP Central Component, as it is the most commonly used software system used to manage enterprise integrated systems. There are three main SAP product offerings to date. SAP NetWeaver, the service-oriented technology platform used to integrate information and business processes within an enterprise integrated system. NetWeaver is the foundation that all other SAP products work on. SAP Business Suite, a suite of software applications designed for large businesses that manage and integrate core business operations like supply chain and warehouse management, sales, administrative functions, and customer management. SAP Business One, an SAP software suite that is designed for small businesses rather than large corporations. You can see the detailed product offering for the Business One suite in this chart.
What are enterprise systems? Enterprise systems are a set of large organizations of integrated application software packages. These packages use computational, data storage, and data information technology to support processes, information flows, reporting, and data within the organization. Most enterprise systems are built off platforms known as SAPs, which were mentioned earlier. SAPs are a set of computing networking resources that enable this program to exhibit full attributes. What is included in the system? The applications within this system include Enterprise Resource Planning, also known as ERP, Customer Relationship Management, CRM, and Supply Chain Management, SCM. ERP allows businesses to manage internal and external resources, including tangible assets, financial resources, materials, and human resources. CRM uses technology for managing companies, clients, and sales prospects. SCM is the design, planning, and control of the supply chain activities through interconnected networks. All these packaged applications allow enterprise systems to work and enable business areas for greater profits.
Excel is a spreadsheet application written and distributed by Microsoft for Microsoft Windows and Mac OS X. The Excel application features graphing tools, pivot tables, and calculations, using a grid of cells arranged in numbered rows and lettered name columns to organize data like arithmetic operations. It has a battery of supplied functions which answer statistical, engineering, and financial needs. This application has been the most widely used spreadsheet application available for these platforms since 1993. Accountants use this Excel software program to help them calculate and categorize all of the financial statements in an organized manner. Another form of accounting software is QuickBooks. Small businesses use QuickBooks for most financially related business processes, from entering sales receipts, tracking expenses, preparing and sending invoices, sales tax tracking and payment, preparation of basic financial statements and reports, purchase order processing, and inventory management.
This concludes our presentation. We hope you have gained a greater understanding of management accounting technologies and how they can improve your accounting experience. Thank you.